And guys, so we will start in a few minutes. Ilagay nyo na sa comment yung mga chart request nyo. Ayun, thank you sa mga nag-tag. Malaking tulong para, yeah, maabot natin yung mga Facebook users na hindi updated. So, yun, nilista ko lang yung mga chart request nyo. Villar stocks. Tinatanong ko yung chart request nyo, tapos may nag-comment, Villar stocks. Alam ko top 2 or top 3 yata yung Villar sa Senator. So ayun, congrats nga pala sa mga ayun, congrats kasi walang nanalong Otso diretso. Diba? So ayun, meron akong pinost last week or last week. Sabi ko, pag walang nanalo kahit isa sa 8 diretso, mamimigay ako ng 10 beginners trading course sa tatlong top fan. So, ayun, wala nga nanalo, diretso sila sa Inidoro. So, give me a few days, maybe tomorrow, pipiliin na natin yung top 10. So, yung sa top 10, lima doon, pipiliin ko yung madalas kong nakikitang nag-like and comment sa page. Tapos yung the other 5, ang gagawin ko is random. Random pipiliin. Okay? So, sa mga top 10 na mananalo, first 5 is yung mga 5 fans na madalas ko nakitang nagko-comment and likes and share. Tapos the other 5, random. Okay? So, ayun, we currently have 125 viewers. And yeah, let's start. We will start. Okay. Jose Gabriel Rico, sorry kung naapektuhan ka. Natutuwa lang ako at natatawa sa title. Pero yeah, feel free to unfollow and unlike. Okay lang. Kasi, yeah. Anyway, nasa screen yung 24 stocks. Subukan natin siyang tapusin. Pero I will try my best to at least reach the top 20 stock requests. And then, kung may extra power pa, we will finish all 24. Diba? Anyway, let's start. So, magsisimula tayo kay PSEI. Ayun, so, sa mga marunong mag-Elliott Wave, yan. So, usually kasi ang stocks, meron yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na waves pataas. Then, after ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's either we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pababa or ABC. In this case, ang nakikita ko is ABC. No? So, may initial analysis is pwede tayong mag-find support dito sa 618 Fibonacci or anywhere dito sa loob ng green box. But, looking at the candle, no, mukhang hindi ko sure kung aabot tayo dito kasi unang-una, we have a support here kung nasaan si A. So, it's acting as support, right? So, ngayon, let's go down to the lower time frame. Ayan. So, ito, kanina sa daily tayo, ngayon nasa 1 hour tayo. Right? So, ngayon, yeah, so, check natin yung RSI. So, yeah, definitely, I think, kaya pa ni PSE ay bumaba. Pero tingnan natin yung 4 hour. Yeah, kaya pa ni PSE ay bumaba. No? Yep, so, ayun guys, sorry. PSE market is not looking good, right? But hopefully, mag-find tayo ng support dito sa 618 level kung nasaan si number 4 at si number 1. May kita natin na resistance siya dito dati, tapos dito naging support. So definitely, pag bumaba tayo dito, we would at least try to hold this support. If not, then obviously, uh, kawawa tayong mga PSE traders. So okay, let's start with PLC, number 1. So ayan, medyo marami tayong stock request ngayon, no? And ano nga tabi doon? Subukan natin siyang tapusin lahat. Pero ayun nga, mabilisan lang natin siyang dadaanan. Sasabihin ko lang sa inyo kung mukha siyang bullish or bearish. Right? So with PLC on the daily chart, no? Ayan. So dito na mention ko na meron tayong head and shoulder sa RSI. Then after that, bumagsak tayo. And also, kung makikita nyo guys, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. So ngayon, after ng 5 waves, nag-correct siya. Diba? And then on the daily, may kita natin, meron tayong hammer candle. So there's a good possibility that we have found support. And ayun, no, dito yung support. Diba? Support, support. So ngayon, support siya ulit dito. So hopefully, mag-hold sa PLC. Bullish ako kay PLC. But if we go below 0.62, bearish na ako. Okay? So if we stay above 0.62, I'm bullish. And yeah, bullish na ako PLC. Pero wait, tingnan natin yung lower time frames. So yep, sa 4 hour, meron tayong bullish divergence dito. Lower low, pero higher low tayo sa RSI. So, ayun, lista ko lang by PLC. So, ayun guys, huwag nyo gagayahin, di porket bumili ako PLC, bibilin kayo. Pero, ayun, baka kasi makalimutan ko bibili rin ako bukas ng PLC kasi meron tayong bullish divergence on the 4 hour and at the same time, we are at support zone. Right? So, ayun, give me a while. Sulat ko lang sa notes ko. Yan, okay. So, yep, initially, akala ko we will find support here, right? 'Di ba? Kasi 0.5 and 618, pero hindi dumiretso tayo. Pero okay lang 'yon kasi wala naman akong hawak PLC. Pero ngayon, nakita ko ng magandang buying opportunity kasi ulitin ko, support dito and then may support. Tapos pagpunta mo sa 4 hour, meron tayong bullish divergence, right? So, yeah, after PLC, Alco. So, ayun si Alco. Yeah, hindi pa ako sigurado. Pero hopefully, mag-find support siya dito sa green box. If not, if hindi tayo mag-find ng support dyan, meron tayo dito. Okay, meron tayo another support zone dito. Right? Resistance dito dati, support dito. So, ayun. And then, at the same time, tingnan natin yung Fibonacci. So, ayun. We are at the 618. So, dito sa RSI, meron tayong slightly higher low. So, there's a very good probability na baka mag-reverse tayo dito. Pero, wag mo na kayong papasok. Maghintay kayo ng higher low. Kasi so far, puro lower lows yung nakikita natin. Maghintay tayo ng isang higher low bago tayo pumasok kay Alco. Right? So, after Alco, Fa, yun, si Fa. So, itong si Fa, medyo matagal na kami bullish neto ng mga mentor sa trader circle. Right? So, ayun. After a while, lumipad na rin siya. Finally. Right? So, subukan natin mag-drawing ng trend line. Yan. So, may breakout siya dito. Oops. So, with Fa, ayun. Meron tayong breakout dito. So, may play for Fa is pwede kayong pumasok pero maglagay kayo ng cut loss sa 0.87. Okay? Nag-breakout na tayo. So, ngayon, kung papasok kayo bukas, siguraduhin nyo lang mag-cut loss kayo pag bumagsak tayo ng 0.87. Kasi pag bumagsak tayo, guys, meron tayong malaking gap dito na hindi pa na-feel. Right? May gap dito. Kung mapapansin yung mga candles, magkakatabi. Pero dito, may malaki tayong gap. So ngayon, pag bumagsak tayo below 0.87 pesos, we can go to as low as minus 13% up to minus 50%. So definitely keep an eye on FA. Bantayin yung 0.87 pesos. Okay? Kasi pag nabasag yung support na yan, bye-bye. No? Aabot tayo ng, pwede tayo umabot ng maximum na negative 50%. No? So ayaw natin mangyari yon. So ayun, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung PSE VIP. So dito sa PSE VIP, okay, so pagpasok nyo yung trader circle, may kita nyo itong text channel. Okay, pag unang bagsak nyo dito, pag pumasok kayo, ito yung una yung babagsakan. So ngayon, meron tayo ditong trading education, meron tayong trader circle VIP, and then meron din tayong PSE VIP. Ngayon, pagpasok nyo dito sa trader circle Discord, hindi nyo yan makikita. Okay? Mga VIP members lang. No? So yung mga VIP members, sila yung may subscription, meron silang monthly na binabayaran, and then prioritize namin sila, mini-mentor namin sila. So dito sa PSE VIP, meron tayong PSE Trade Recos. Marami dito mga trade setups na pwede nyong pasukan, na tingin namin bullish, and personally, pinapasukan din namin yung stock. So ngayon, anyway, long story short, nagbigay kami ng entry kay FA, no? So, it pumped today. How many percent? Yan. So, it did 13% today. Right? Anyway, ako at saka si D Illustrator, nag-post kami ng trade recommendation for FA. FA. So, hindi ko na siya hanapin, pero andyan lang yan. Diba? At least ngayon, may kita nyo kung ano yung nakikita ng mga VIP members. So, after this live stream, ipopost ko yung link ng mga details ng PSE VIP at saka Trader Circle VIP. No? Para sa mga interested, pwede nyong tignan. No? Ngayon, going back, okay, after FA, wait, ako may FA ako dito. Yeah, anyway, after MRC. So si MRC, it's not looking so good. Okay, so MRC initially bullish ako dito, but then again um hindi, no? Nag-breakout siya dito, guys. Nakikita niyo to, nag-breakout siya pero bumalik siya sa loob. At the same time, may breakout na rin siya dito sa ano sa trend line resistance, no? Nag-breakout siya diyan. Or ayusin natin yung trend line, lagay natin dito. Right? Nag-breakout na siya dito. Right? Pero bumalik siya sa loob. So ngayon, ang kailangan natin bantayan na presyo ay itong 3295, right? Kung mabasag tong support, we're gonna go lower, no? And honestly, I think babagsak pa tayo, no? Kasi this is a bear flag, right? Ito yung pole, and then ito yung flag, right? So ngayon, hindi siya mukhang maganda. No, honestly, hindi siya mukhang maganda. Pero okay lang kasi meron akong AAA equities and automatic siya nag-cut loss for me. Pag bumagsak tayo, naglagyan ng cut loss dito sa 3295 eh. So, cut na siya. Though we are at support, I'm not recommending na pumasok kayo. Pumasok kayo kay MRC once na mabasag natin tong si 3754. Pero until then, wag muna kayo papasok kasi I think the support will not hold and we're gonna go lower for MRC. So after MRC, we have web. So web, okay, sorry. So for web, daily, wala pa tayo masyadong makita. Tingnan natin yung 4 hours. So sa 4 hours, hindi pa tayo maabot sa oversold, no? Right, so medyo hindi ko muna itong papasukan kasi wala pa ako nakikitang bullish divergence. At the same time, yeah. Pero dito sa 1 hour ni web, mukhang magkaka-bullish crossover tayo. Right? Pero wag muna kayong pumasok kasi honestly, I think we can go to as low as 2.71. Okay? Kasi sa 1 hour guys, wala pa akong nakikitang bullishness sa RSI. Wala pa akong nakikitang bullish divergence. So, I think we can still go lower. No? But, pwede rin ako maging mali. Pwede tayong mag-reverse. Pero ayun nga, siguro next week, tanungin nyo ako, or maybe this weekend, tanungin nyo ako kung pwede nang pasukan si web. Kasi, we are at the oversold sa 1 hour, right? Pero ang hinahanap ko kasi is bullish divergence on the 1 hour. So, for web, sidelines muna ako. I think the good support is 2.71, right? Kasi this support here didn't hold. We went under it, right? Tapos meron tayo ditong isang candle na ni-reject tong support na naging resistance na. So, yeah, that's for web. After web, IRC. So for IRC, my cut loss point for IRC is 1.69. No, so long as we stay above 1.69, bullish ako. Pero if we go below 1.69, bearish na tayo dyan, guys. I would cut my losses. Right? So that's a quick update for IRC. Just remember the 1.69 support. If we break that, exit. After IRC, T. CZ. So kay Z, wait lang guys. So kay Z, Zeus Holdings, meron tayo ditong support, right? Well, until here yung support. So this stock, mm, medyo sideways siya eh. So for me, papasukan ko tong si Zeus if mabasag natin yung 4.4356, no? Kung mabasag natin tong resistance, papasok ko. Pero I think pwede pa tayo bumagsak eh. Right? So, ayun, we are at support. Sige, pwede kayong bumili dyan bukas. Pero just make sure na if we go below 0.3064, you exit. Okay? Or you can just wait na babasag natin to bago kayo pumasok. Ayun guys, pasensya na. Medyo naglalag yung computer. Okay, after Z Max. Alright, so si Max. Uh, so si Max, ayun, nasa support tayo. Right? This is yan, 100 EMA. Right? Nasa support tayo for Max on the daily. And let's check the lower time frame. This looks like yan, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we get the Fibonacci from 0 to 5. And nasa 382 current support tayo. Right? Resistance here, support here. So if we do not hold this support, we can go here. Our next support, which is the 618 or the golden ratio in terms of Fibonacci. So, tingnan natin on the 1 hour. Sorry. Yeah, I think we can go lower. Yep. So, for max, not yet. Wag muna tayong pumasok. I think we can go as low as 0.5 and 618 here. After max, SSI. So for SSI, malakas si SSI ah. So honestly kay SSI, medyo mahirap pa sabihin kung nasaan yung next support niya, right? Pero if you wanna play with SSI, pwede nyo pasukin si 3.31, right? Pero hindi ko ni-recommend na pumasok kayo sa 3.31. Okay? Kasi baka maging bull trap yan eh. Mabasag nyo yung resistance tapos biglang malaking bagsak, right? So ngayon, ang nakikita ko kasing next support is 2.71. Right? So sa mga makatayang kamay, you can wait for the break of 3.31 bago nyo pasukin. Pero pag pinasok nyo yan, pag nabasag yung 3.31, siguro din nyo babantayin nyo mabuti kasi pwede nga siya maging bear trap. No? Biglang fake breakout tapos bagsak. No? So, my recommendation for SSI is you wait na mag-establish siya ng support bago tayo pumasok. Okay? Mahirap na kasi ngayon eh. Medyo talagang overbought na tayo. Right? Well, hindi pa naman over, yeah. Kaya pa tumaas. Pero ayun nga, keep an eye on the 3.31 pesos kung mabasag yan. Or you can wait na maka-establish tayo ng support bago kayo pumasok. Okay? That's for SSI. I think mababasag nyo itong resistance. So, yeah. Kaya pa. Kasi honestly, nakikita ko dito is this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, tapos 5. And usually 5 yung last, right? Then after the 5, magkakaroon tayo ng malaking correction. Right? Magkakaroon tayo ng malaking correction na ganyan. So, kaya kung lalaroin nyo ito ng breakout play, bantahin nyo mabuti. Okay? For SSI. Subukan natin i-measure yung right. So, yan yung nakikita kong posibleng pwede mangyari kay SSI. At the same time, kunin natin yung Fibonacci from top to bottom. Yun. Ito yung 0.5. At the same time, yep. So, yun yung nakikita kung pwede mangyari kay SSI. Ayun, bro, Franz Zaraspe. Welcome to live. First time ba? Okay, so for JFC, ginawa ko ba ito ng analysis? Tingnan nga natin. Yeah, no, yeah. Yun, mukhang reversal candle. Okay, so si JFC on the daily, mukhang promising tong candle. Meron tayong inverted hammer, right? At the same time, if we're gonna plot our support and resistance, this is a good support. This is Yeah. Yeah, okay. So, possible na... Wait. Yep. So, for JFC, yeah, bigyan niyo pa siya ng ilang araw, siguro next week, bago tayo mag-decide kung papasok tayo. Kung mag-close tong candle bu, I mean, yeah, nag-close na to eh. So, ayun, meron tayong hammer candle. And it's a bullish candle. Tingnan natin sa 4 hours. Ooh. So, ayun, 4 hours, meron tayong bullish divergence. So, sa mga pumasok kay JFC, stop loss natin kay JFC is here. 292 or 291.9. Yun yung magiging cut loss natin. No, kung papasukin si JFC bukas. So mukhang okay naman, pero ayun nga, wala pa kasi yung nakikitang higher low, right? So medyo mahirap kasi this is lower low, right? Wala pa tayong nakikitang higher low. So mag-intay kayo ng higher low bago natin siya pasukin. Okay? After JFC, MBT. Ayun, France. Anyway, nag-ano ka na ba? Nagpi-PSE ka na? Kasi di ba last time crypto? Tama ba? Okay, so for MBT, ayun nga, again, kinuha ko yung Fibonacci from swing low to swing high and may kita natin na MBT is at 618 no support, and at the same time we have a lower low here on the price action, but if you open up the RSI, meron tayong nakikitang higher low, right? So MBT looks bullish, but tingnan natin yung 1 hour. Yep, mukha siyang bullish, no? So kayo, kung gusto niyo siya pasukin, pwede, pero ako, I would personally wait for a higher low. Kasi wala pa ako nakikitang higher low eh. This is a lower low and then another lower low. Wala pa tayong nakikitang higher low or wave 1 and 2. So, hindi ko pa siya honestly papasukin. I'm gonna give it more time, tapos maghintay lang ako ng higher low. So guys, sa mga hindi nakaalam ng higher low, lower low, this is lower low, higher low, higher low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. So wala pa tayong nakikitang higher low, right? So MBT bullish. At the same time, we are at the 618 Fibonacci level, no? Okay, so after MB, well, sige. Yan. So ayun, even in the past, I predicted that MBT will find support somewhere in here, right? And kung titignan nyo, yeah, 4-hour chart siya in the past, no? Nandito tayo last time, and I say we will find support here, and we did went down, right? So, bullish, bullish, yes. After MBT Vita, so itong si Vita, binasag niya tong support, right? Basag yung support. Pero, meron tayong bullish divergence here. This is on a 4-hour. No? So, possible siya mag-reverse. Pero, ayun nga, wala pa tayong nakikitang higher low. Right? So, this is again, lower low, lower low. Ito naman yung higher low. Right? Kasi, yan. Diba? Mas mababa to compared dito. So, this is a higher low. So, ngayon, hinahanap kay Vita is higher low. So, wala pa tayong nakikitang higher low, hindi pa muna ako papasok. Right? So, after Vita, food. Yes, France. Yeah. Okay nga PSE for swing trading. Okay rin yung mga gains niya. Right? Akala ko kasi dati, mababa, right? Pero sa crypto kasi malaking volatility. So ngayon, so far, okay siya. Kaya binalikan ko ulit yung PSE. Hi Pearl Ataban, you are welcome. I'm happy you liked it. At marami kang natutunan. Thanks for letting me know, bro. Or sis Pearl pala. Okay, di ko alam kung lalaki ba. Yeah, so for food, throwback tayo. Ano kung meron akong chart na ito ni food eh. Yep. So ayan, si food, dati pa, no, if we go on a daily chart, yeah, okay guys, so pwede mag-comment kayo kung nasa live stream pa kayo. Kasi feel ko nagloloko yung Facebook ko. Hindi ko alam kung naka-live pa rin tayo. Right. Ayun, okay. So, okay pa naman yung... John Marie Metro, i-upload ko sa YouTube yung live session na to, and then pwede nyo siya doon panoorin. Right? So bukas by tomorrow morning, pwede nyo siya panoorin sa YouTube. So punta lang kayo sa YouTube tapos subscribe kayo sa Risk Trader YouTube channel ko. So okay, anyway, going back to food, this is November 27 of 2018. Sabi ko, guys, we are gonna go down to the 618 and find support. So ngayon, fast forward, we did go down, actually lower than 618, but still inside the green box. So ngayon, we're gonna go to the 4-hour. And so far, the 4-hour looks promising kasi we have a bullish divergence here, right? So again, personally, hindi ko pa pinapasukan si food. I'm waiting for a higher low. And so far, we haven't seen a higher low, right? Dito, lower low, lower low. So what we're looking for is a higher low. Again, this is a higher low. So ngayon, wala pa tayong nakikita. So we're gonna wait. Okay, huwag makati ang kamay kasi paano kung hindi mag-hold itong support tapos bumagsak pa tayo? Okay? So hindi all the time gumagana ang bullish divergence. May mga times na hindi siya nagpo-play out. Okay? So we always wait for the higher low. So for food, ayun, same sentiment. The 4-hour looks promising. At the same time, we are inside a good support, right? Support here, resistance here, resistance here. At the same time, we are at the 618. So, ayun. After food, we will do double dragon. Ayun, so okay pa naman, pero yeah, anyway, sa mga naapektuhan ng interruption ng live stream ko, pwede nyo siya ulit panoorin bukas sa YouTube. I-upload ko siya sa YouTube. Okay, so for DD, so for DD, I see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going up. Right? Yan. So tulad ng sabi ko, based on Elliott wave theory, after a 5-wave impulse going up, we usually do an ABC or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and hopefully find support sa 618. So, yeah. Yan yung it's an ABC or pwede na siya maging 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So, pwede siya maging ABC or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, I think, alam ko ginawa, tingnan natin si DD. Yun! So, ayun, sa mga haters ko dyan, Elliott wave works. Kasi, here in the past, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then sabi ko, guys, this is the top, babagsak na tayo. So, yung mga members ng Trader Circle VIP and PSE VIP, nakapag-sell din sila dito sa tuktok, right? At around 26.09. So, ayun, andito tayo before tayo bumagsak, right? So, yung mga nakabenta, they would have saved themselves from a negative 16% drop. So, ngayon, I think hindi pa tapos to si Didi. Honestly, yeah, hindi pa tapos yung correction niya for me, ah. Pero ako, just to be sure, papasukan ko tong si Didi, bobodega ako ng Double Dragon. Pag mabasag natin 27 pesos or 27.18 resistance natin. Pero for the meantime, di ko pa nakita yung bullish divergence na gusto ko, right? And ayun, so I expect that we at least go down to this level. The 0.5 and the 618. No, same as planned tulad dito. So ngayon, after DD, we will do CHP. So ayan guys, commercial break lang, saglit. Ayun, I'm going to Davao and Cebu. So sa sa May 19, it's this weekend. Pupunta ako ng Davao. Tapos, gagawa ako ng trading seminar. So guys, kung meron kayong kilalang mga taga Davao at Cebu, no, especially Davao kasi itong weekend na, let them know that I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna do a trading seminar. So it's only 4,200 pesos, right? It's very cheap. Kung isipin nyo, syempre meron pang airfare, meron pang hotel, meron pang transportation cost, right? So 4,200 pesos is very cheap. At the same time, hindi lang ako yung magtuturo. Andun si Crypto Hood or si Hood Trades, right? So dalawa kami magtuturo mag-trade. So ngayon, kung meron kayong ma-refer na friend na sasali na mag-attend ng seminar sa Davao, meron kayong 10% commission. So 4,200 to 10,000 of 4,200 is 420. So kung meron kayong ma-refer na friend na pumunta dito, let me know. Bibigyan ko kayo ng commission. Or, yeah, please share it with your friends, lalo mga nasa taga Davao at Cebu. Okay? So, going back, Apollo Bire sa Davao City, no? Basta sa isa siyang hotel sa Davao City, Davao del Sur ata. Basta sa main city ng Davao. Kasi si Crypto Hood yung nag-set ng venue, no? So, first time ko doon, so hindi ko talaga alam. Pero it's in Davao City, sa main city siya. Anyway, CHP is next. So, amazing. I'm impressed. Yeah, okay. So, ngayon, initially, ang target profit ko for CHP is inside here. But may kita natin, guys, we broke through it. No? Binasag natin siya. So, ayun, hindi pa ako nagte-take profit. Right? Pero, for me, sa mga may hawak ng CHP, no, I would put a stop loss here. No, sa mga nakapasok dito sa baba, maglagay kayo ng stop loss sa 2.59, right? Kasi trailing stops 'yan, right? This is a support, no? So ako, ang current cut loss ko is nasa 2.33, pero pagbukas ng market, I'm gonna update it to 2.6. Okay, for my cut loss kasi ayun nga, on the 1-hour chart, we have a bearish divergence here na meron tayong nasa sense na weakness sa RSI on the 1 hour. So if we're gonna look at the 4-hour chart, hindi pa naman siya bearish, right? So either way, I'm gonna put a stop loss at 2.6. No, kung matamaan siya, okay lang kasi I've made dito ako pumasok eh. Yeah, I've made 40% with CHP na. So to prove to you, asan na ba yun? May chart ako nito eh. Yan. Right? So, in the past, on the daily time frame, for CHP, malinaw na sinabi ko we're gonna find support dito. Right? And then, we did bounce. No? So, dito pa lang, guys, alam ko na mag-bounce yan. Anyway, on the daily, medyo disturbing yung last candle niya. Meron tayo ditong dragonfly. So, yeah, basta maglagay lang kayo ng cut loss niya sa 2.56. No buy signal yet. No? Feel ko magko-correct muna tayo. Magko-correct. Mas possible yung correction than another uptrend. Okay, so kung gusto mo talagang pasukan si CHP, hintayin mo mabasag yung 2.92. Pero to enter now is risky, right? So it's either you wait for 2.92 or you wait for it to find support around this area, around 2.18, right? So that's for CHP. Update your stop loss to 2.59 and then pasukan nyo siya if mabasag natin yung 2.92. Right? But until then, risky pumasok ngayon. After CHP, ISM, ISM. So anyway, okay, for ISM, tulad ng sinabi ko dati, papasukan ko siya pag mabasag natin yung 6.35, right? Pero medyo nakakatakot kasi, yeah, ito yung support eh. No, pero for me, my play is bibili ako pag nabasag tong 6.35 and then magka-cut loss ako if we go below 4.8. So mga merong hawak ng ISM, cut loss is at 4.8 because if 4.8 does not hold, then ang next support natin is here. Wait, sorry. Oops. Yep, our next support is here. Now, kung hindi ma-hold yung 4.8 na support, we can go as low as 3.7. So, it's either you wait for the break of the 6.35 peso resistance or enter pero put a cut loss at 4.8. Pero yun nga, it's safer if we enter pag nabasag natin tong 6.35. So, after ISM, STI, STI, medyo pangit yung candles niya. Ibig sabihin, hindi maganda yung liquidity. But, okay, for STI, I'm still waiting for a higher low. No? But you can enter once na mabasag tong 0.73 or ako hintay lang ng higher low. Pag once na mayroon nakitang higher low, tsaka ako papasok. Pero for now, sidelines lang tayo kasi, ayun nga, nasa 618 na tayo, pero wag tayong pumasok porket nasa 618 na tayo. Maghintay tayo ng confirmation, maghintay tayo ng higher low, or better yet, you enter at 0.73. Yep. So, after STI, V. Okay, singit natin si BPI as per request of Mike Lim. So, ayun. Yeah. I think, sabi ko last time, medyo bullish ako dito. Pero, I also mentioned na if we break this 80.68 support, you exit. And so far, nag-pierce through siya. No? So, ayun, wala pa tayong nakikitang higher low. Right? Nasa double bottom tayo. And, yun natin 1 hour. Yep. Risky pa pumasok kay BPI. Pero for me, the safest way to enter BPI is to wait for the break of 86.31. Kung mabasag natin to, masigurado tayo. Yun yung confirmation natin na reversal na siya. Pero, ayun nga, siguro next week, sana makita tayo ng higher low. Pero for now, I think we can go to as low as 79.27. No? So, and Mike, if you're watching, I suggest you cut your BPI tomorrow, no? Kasi medyo risky siya. Or kung in-apply mo naman yung risk management na tinuro ko, pwede ka mag-ladder, right? But yeah, don't ladder. You have two choices: wait for the 86.31 to break, or yeah, wait for a divergence. Pero ngayon wala pa akong nakitang divergence on. Well, meron tayong bullish divergence here. Meron tayong higher low sa RSI, tapos meron tayong lower low, right? So, ayun, I would wait for the break of 86.31 bago papasukan yan. After after VLL. Okay, so for VLL, nabigay ko na tong analysis last time. I said, yun, pasok tayo pag mabasag na yung 7.54. Right? And same sentiment, guys. Pasok lang kayo pag nabasag na tong 7.54. Until then, hands off. After VLL, now. So for now, meron tayong support dito at 1.87 and we are currently at 2.04. Yep. Um, Talagang matindi yung buhos eh. Walang gusto bumili. So, honestly, mag-cut kayo ng losses if we go below 1.87. Pero, yeah, wala pa akong nakikitang entry kay now. Wala pa tayong higher low. So, on to the next one. Aba. So, for ABA, so kay ABA, Joel Antolin, maliit lang naman ang trading fee. No, maliit lang naman yung trading fee. So, yeah, minsan ginagawa ko, hindi ako, pag nagte-trade kasi ako, hindi ko pinapasok lahat ng pera eh. Let's say, meron ng 100 pesos. Ang gagamitin ko lang sa 100 pesos ay, yun nga, hahatiin ko yung tatlo. No? So, kung meron ng 100 pesos na pangbili, hahatiin ko siya sa tatlo. So, tig 30, 30, 30 yung pasok ko. Okay, so, yeah, hindi naman masyado maapektuhan yung ng fee yung trading mo. No? Mas maapektuhan ng trading mo yung losses mo. So, kung maganda naman yung planning mo sa pag-entry, walang issue yung fee. Maliit lang naman talaga, maliit lang siya. So, for FA, yeah, medyo disturbing lang to. Mukhang may possible head and shoulder tayo dito. So, this is the neckline of the head and shoulder. Left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder. So, for me, ang stop loss ko kay ABA is 0.60 and then my confirmation to enter ABA is at 0.68. So, here, itong si ABA, nasakyan namin itong pataas ng mga PSE members. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ABA chart na binigay ko sa mga VIP members ng Trader Circle. And, saan yun? Yan. Okay. So, sa daily kay ABA, okay. So, this is the daily chart dati. Sabi ko, mag-find tayong support dito. Tataas tayo up to here kung nasaan yung gap. And, guys, we did. Tumaas tayo kung nasaan yung gap. At the same time, if we go to 1 hour chart ni ABA, right, this is the 1 hour chart ni ABA. Binigay ko rin kung saan ibebenta ng mga PSE VIP members si ABA. Right? Binigay ko sa kanila yung tuktok. So here, papakita ko lang sa inyo. This was done in the 1 hour chart. Right? And then, ang resistance ko is at 0.70, no? Or 70 cents. And kung makikita nyo guys, we did exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no? So, nasa 0.69, then bumagsak na siya. So, kung nasaan yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, doon tayo nag-U-turn or kung saan tayo nag-correct. Right? So, that's the power of Elliott wave. And again, so for ABA, wait for the break above 0.68 bago kayo pumasok. And then, kung meron pa kayong hawak, just make sure to cut your losses at 0.6. Right? Ang problema kasi is, itong 0.6, baka mag-find naman siya ng support dito. Right? So, yeah, pwede kayo mag-cut sa 0.6, pero ako, I personally cut if I go below 0.54. No, medyo malaki yung cut loss ko kasi Hindi nagde-depend sa percentage yung cut loss ko eh. Nakadepend siya sa support and resistance. So after ABA, tech. Yep. So obviously hindi nag-play out yung analysis natin dito, no? And this is a perfect example na hindi all the time gagana ang bullish divergence, right? So dito meron tayong makikitang double bottom or slightly higher lows RSI. Pero sa price action, meron tayong lower low. So kung may lower low tapos may higher low or double bottom yung RSI, that means bullish. Pero kasi you have to remember na trading is all about probabilities, and even the divergences, whether it be bullish or bearish, it doesn't always play out, pero most of the time it plays out. So ngayon may kita natin kay Tech, we did see a bullish divergence, and instead of going up, it went sideways, right? So kung meron kayo nakitang bullish divergence and instead of going up, it goes sideways for a very long time, you exit kasi it means it's gonna drop further. So for Tech, yeah, pwede natin sabihin na may bullish divergence tayo dito, pero honestly, hindi pa tapos, right? So hindi ko pa sasabihin na bullish divergence to. So for Tech, my initial recommendation for those people who requested that this is you cut your losses once we go below 28.57. So kung meron pa kayong hawak Tech, I honestly wouldn't recommend na you hold, right? I think it's safer to say na, yeah, just cut your losses. Pero guys, do not take it for me. The decision is still up to you, no? I'm just here to give you what I think, and it's up to you to click those buttons. So after Tech, we have DMC. So ayun guys, we are currently streaming for gaano katagal tayo nag-stream? Yun, so we've been streaming for 1 hour and we still have 153 live viewers. So for DMC, okay, meron tayong support dito. Right? So nasa support zone tayo. And then at this natin 4 hours. So same as nakalimutan ko yung stock na yun, no? We are near support pero maghintay muna tayo ng higher low, right? And so far wala pa tayong higher low and wala pa tayong bullish divergence on the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So guys, I honestly don't think DMC will hold this support. Pwede, yeah, we can go lower. Right? A, B, C, A. Yep. So ayun, medyo mukhang delikado si DMC. Huwag muna kayong bibili. And sa mga may hawak ng DMC, if 9.86 doesn't hold, then I would cut. Pero, yeah, mahirap eh. No buy zone. Hindi mo na ako bibili ng DMC at this current condition. Jerry Lex, pwede mo panoorin bukas ng umaga yung replay neto sa YouTube. Or, yeah, upload ko siya after ng live na to sa YouTube para pwede nyo siya panoorin. No? So, mga 1 hour or 30 minutes siguro bago siya mag-upload sa YouTube. So, after DMC, we have Green. So, Green. Yan, si Green. Green was my stock pick for the month of March. Yan, so si Green here, back in March 20, sabi ko we have found support, right? And then target profit is here. And then guys, right? Support, target profit, exactly where I place the red resistance zone. No, so for green, wait lang. Piyaw, dalawang klase kasi yung ano eh. Pero for PSE, 2,000 per month yung mentorship, right? So sa PSE VIP, it's 2,000 per month, and then you get to see the charts that we do, yung mga stocks na pinapasukan namin, and pwede ka mag-chart request every day, pwede ka magpa-check ng chart. So that's what you get for 2,000 pesos a month for the VIP mentorship sa Trader Circle. So I think it's very cheap, no? And honestly, yung mga members namin, ayoko ipagmayabang, pero meron kami isang member, nabawi niya na lahat ng losses niya last 2018, no? Wala pang 1 month sa VIP mentorship, nabawi niya na, no? Just by sa mga charts na binibigay namin. So anyway, for green, going back, mm, yeah. So for green, nasa downtrend pa rin siya. I would wait for a break above 2.74 before I enter, or mas safe kung hintayin natin mabasag yung 2.91. Pero kung makatikamay mo, sige, pasok ka ng maliit na pera kung nabasag si 2.74. Currently kasi ang nakikita ko is nasa support tayo, right? So, naghihintay pa ako ng higher low. Yep. So, ayun, kung mabasag natin si 2.74, tsaka kayo pumasok. After green, we have poppy. Yung sa mentorship with PSE and crypto, that's 10,000 pesos for 3 months or 4,000 pesos per month. No? So if you want crypto and PSE, at the same time, kung gusto mo matuto ng Elliott Wave, Harmonic Pattern, and High Can Touch Confluence, it's 4,000 per month or 10,000 pesos for 3 months. Pero kung PSE lang, gusto mo lang sakyan yung mga trades na sinasakyan namin, it's only 2,000 pesos per month. Okay, so anyway, pag meron kayong question, just message me on Facebook. Tapusin lang natin itong live stream. So for Poppy, okay, so for Poppy, yeah, mahirap siya sabihin eh. Okay, for Poppy, if mabasag natin si 3.12 ba? If mabasag natin si 3.12, papasok ako sa kanya. Pero for the meantime, Poppy can still go to as low as here. Right? So, it's either you wait for the break of 3.12 before you enter, or you wait for it to find support inside this green box. No? And then, Dempsey Robert J.R. Gueles, Sir, possible ba na technical analysis lang gamitin para mabit yung market? Pwede na di na yung fundamental analysis. Yes, for me, yes. Kasi ever since I've been trading PSE, never ako nag-fundamental analysis, never ako nagbasa ng news, never ako nagbasa ng news. Ever since I started PSE, I've been trading it using the charts alone. Walang fundamentals, walang news. So yes, it is possible. And marami rin traders na gagawa yan. hindi lang sanay ang mga Pilipino na kaya mo mag-trade without fundamentals. But in the other country, they already know that you can beat the market even without fundamental analysis. Right? So, kaya medyo maraming hater na nare-receive si Risk Trader brand kasi I've been promoting that you can earn just by using charts alone, even without fundamentals. So, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we have finished PSE. And then ngayon, meron tayong last request. So, ayun, if you guys don't know, 3 times a week ako nag-live analysis for crypto, no? Pero I stopped and I've been doing PSE only. So, may mga nag-request na to chart Bitcoin. So, okay, let's chart Bitcoin. Yes, Rain Par, tapos na kay web. After this live stream, i-upload ko yung live charting natin sa YouTube. So, punta lang kayo sa YouTube, lagay nyo risk, space, trader, and then meron ng YouTube channel. Subscribe lang kayo doon. So, okay, for BTC, let's look at BTC on masyadong yep, too much. Okay, so, tingnan natin dito. Mas malinis. Okay, so for BTC, no, grabe, kasi, okay, for BTC, initially, this is a strong resistance, no? That is a strong resistance. The next resistance we see is this, no? And then the other resistance is this. So, si BTC, initially, akala ko, no, na once we reach around here, 6,000, mare-reject tayo and magre-retrace tayo bago tayo papasok. Pero guys, binasag natin tong dalawang resistance nang walang stress, nang wala masyadong effort. No? So ngayon, we are approaching this is the next resistance, 8487 resistance. So we are approaching that resistance. So personally, medyo nakakatakot na pumasok dito kasi we have, is this? No, okay. So, ayun, wala pa tayong bearish divergence na nakikita sa daily. Ako personally, I think we can still go higher. We can still go higher. So, the next question is, kailan tayo papasok? No? So, here, going to the 1-hour chart, and then, tanggalin lang natin yung yan. Okay, so basic support and resistance, we have our strong support here, right? Resistance in the past, support here. So ngayon, if you go to the 1-hour chart, meron tayong makikitang bearish divergence dito, right? So usually, pag meron tayong nakitang bearish divergence, a bearish divergence is a higher high on the price action but a lower high on the RSI. So usually, whenever we see this type of divergence is we usually go down, no, to find support. And if we do find support, then we go up. Okay? So, how will you trade BTC? One, you can wait for it to break above 8376 before you enter, or you can wait for it to find support here. No? Kung nag-find tayo ng support, pagmasdan nyo, tapos pag meron siyang higher low, tsaka nyo siya pasukin. Right? So, ayun. Sige, I will give daily Bitcoin analysis on Trader Circle. No? So, sa mga hindi pa nakasali sa Trader Circle, I will post the link after this live stream sa Facebook page ni Risk Trader. No? And then, ilalagay ko rin doon yung mga subscriptions na pwede nyong pagpilian. So here, I think BTC will go down to try and find support here before we break up again. Right? So, screenshot lang natin. So that's what I would do for BTC. No? So anyway, guys, Joseph Anthony Velos. Binance, no? So after this, hintay mo yung post ko. I'm gonna post the link to the Trader Circle, yung mga types of VIP subscription, and then my referral link sa Binance. No, so you can click my referral link there and then um, register using my referral link. No, so once again, guys, this is Risk Trader. Don't forget to cut your losses and learn to take your profit. Thank you for tuning in. Good night, and hope you have a great day tomorrow. So again, guys, i-upload ko to. Just give me 30 minutes, then may kita niyo siya sa Risk Trader YouTube channel ko. Okay, guys? So once again, thank you very much. Signing out. Bye-bye.